Okay, let's take a look at this next question here. So this diagram illustrates the activity of vesicles during a cellular process. Keyword here being vesicles. That's a word that you should know by now. This is kind of one of those things that's involved in bulk transport, exocytosis, and endocytosis, right? This is stuff entering and exiting the cell. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on here. Another word you have that should be familiar to you guys is Golgi apparatus. I like to think of the Golgi as the post office of the cell. And the mail it takes in is proteins. So you have a little protein in here. Whoops, maybe it's insulin or something like that. It's an unprocessed protein. Protein goes in, and it's going to travel through this Golgi apparatus, and it's going to go somewhere else, right? In this case, whoops, sorry. In this case here, it looks like whatever this protein is, it's being packaged and shipped outside of the cell, right? So that protein would end up out here. So our Golgi apparatus is the post office. It appears that we have something having moved through the Golgi apparatus. It exits through this vesicle on the other side of the Golgi apparatus, and it's being transported to the exterior of the cell. Exocytosis. That's just a little something that I hope you remember about this process. So look at the statements below, and after what I've told you that we have a protein which is moving through the Golgi apparatus out the other side, this vesicle is moving and it's eventually emptying this protein, right? This is our original protein that entered. It's emptying it outside the cell. So I want you to look at these statements again, and I want you to tell me which statement best explains the function of vesicles. Here's that word again. In other words, what are these vesicles doing in this scenario? Read through the answer choices again, and I want you to think about what we've talked about, and hopefully that will help you answer this question. Good luck on your second attempt.